Hold on, baby. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Hannah Done. If you're this my channel, subscribe right now. And if you're a returning subscriber, stop down, baby.
She just let me know, but they show no fish. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
But y'all, it is literally one more week until I graduate school. I've been gone, I've been missing, and I'm just gonna say my bad. But the girl have to do what she has to do, and I promise I'm gonna continue to post word and content. I promise y'all, I promise. But y'all, I only have one more grade to test out on, and it is the combo WELD 6G position, pig and fish. So yeah, I'm about to set up my boots right now and try to get a grade. I probably won't finish today, but I might. So let's see. We're just gonna see how much we get done today. If I don't finish today, we're gonna continue this video on Monday, okay? So let's get started. I know y'all haven't seen my face in a while, but it's your girl, Hannah Done, and I'm a welder.
I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, you skinny.
Y'all, this is my new tint rig. I'm gonna use today. It's green, my favorite color, and I got this from Amplified Welding, and it's a flex head. Let me see if I can show y'all. As y'all see, it bends, it moves. It bends and moves. Flex head. Got a big A cup. I'm waiting around the booth to clean my pipes, so I guess we just gotta wait for the young man to be done. Y'all, this man over here, I think making a landing on his pipe with a damn grinder. I ain't never seen nobody do no shit like that. Like, wow.
I thought I liked you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, you skinny. I'm not.
Alright, y'all, so I got my pipe clean with no landing. We're about to kick it out, and then we're gonna do our root and our hot pass with the pig, and then we're gonna 7 to 18 it with a plastic cap. Alright, y'all, so I did my tack. I did 3 tacks, as y'all see, at 3, 9, and 12. And now I'm about to tack it up on the pole.
Take a home when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find a home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you. These hoes don't want no smoke, they want exposure. He wanna.
What's up, y'all? It is Thursday. Yeah. And I'm about to finish off my pipe. Yesterday, I did a root pass, my hot pass. And I kind of did more than another hot pass. I kind of used to flush a little bit with the tigging. So, I'm going to show you how it looks. It's kind of hype. As y'all see. Yeah. Go to the inside. It's penetrated real good. I'm about to go in with the 718. I'm gonna do one flush pass and then cap it off and see how it goes. Alright, y'all, so I didn't get my flush. What's my 332? Or just get my 718. Looking real nice, a little dirty, but as y'all see, we got it in there. I'm about to keep this up. Y'all see, I just tried to go over this for and I created a porosity zone right here, but I'll probably go back and grind it out and fix it. So I think that's what I'm about to do. So I just grinded out the porosity, and I'm about to go back in and fix the cap, the bottom cap, and then go in and do my last cap at the top. Alright, y'all, so this is how my pipe ended up looking. It's not the best of best, but it's definitely not the worst, okay? So I'm gonna see what he give me. I personally give myself like a hot 80 something, because honestly I done messed up. It just don't look as clean and as neat as it could possibly be, but I feel like I still did a good enough job. Yeah, honestly I do. I'll give it like a good 88 myself, but we're gonna see what my instructor says. Here goes my root pass. As y'all see, it's in there. Low-key blending. Alright, y'all, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me nice. Alright, y'all, so I got a grade for my pipe. This is how it's looking. I got a 94. I got a 90 fucking 4, bitch. And this is my last grade for the whole program. The girl is done. I'm officially a graduate. I'm officially a WELD student. I just have to do my online grades and discussion posts and assignments and quizzes. Then, yeah. So today's the last day I'll be here this week. So I'm gonna come in Monday and I'm gonna bend it and do a bend test to see how it goes. And also I'm gonna keep practicing what I need to practice for the rest of the week. Because if y'all don't know, my last day is next Friday, March 22nd. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up and go home. So drop down congratulations Hannah, big dog shit in the comment section down below when you see it. And also subscribe to my channel, y'all, because now I'm gonna be able to come in on my off days and actually have content-check videos for wherever y'all want to see me well, or whatever y'all feel like y'all need work on, or whatever case may be. Yeah. What we're trying to do? I'll talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all on the flip side. I'm about to clean up and go home.
Shot tree with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego.